In this video, we are going to see that if you want to resolve this error which appears whenever you are trying to access any kind of application or any kind of software, it says 0xc000012f error, bad image. And this is the details of this error. So hopefully we will try a couple of options and that should solve the problem. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what we need to do is just open up the search menu and write here CMD. Just right click and run it as administrator. If it asks for the confirmation, just click yes. And we are going to see and type a couple of commands that I will link with the description of this video. So you can just copy and paste that. So first of all, the command we will use is this. It's a DISM command. Just copy and paste that and hit enter. And it will start deploying the image servicing and management tool. This might take some time to install and complete this process. So just sit back and relax until it does. But since we are just going to show you the complete process, I'll just fast forward this process until the completion and then we will see the further process. But just wait for a while it completes all the setup. And once the first command is processed successfully and completed, let's go ahead. You can go to the description and just copy and paste the second command. Hit enter. It will again begin the system scan. This process will take some time. So just sit back and relax again. And once that is completed, just close out of here and just go to your favorite browser, whatever you have, and just search here Visual C++ and just write here download as well. I'll just mention download here, and it says latest supported Visual C++ redistributable from learn.microsoft.com. Just go ahead and click on that. And after that, you will see a couple of versions here. If you're using 64-bit operating system, you can just download it from here. Just click on that and it will start the downloading process like this. And once we have this completed, just click on open, click I agree and click on install, click yes. And once we have this completed, we can just quickly restart our computer to make this effective. And after restarting, your issue might be resolved. Just mention down in the comments if that works for you, and I will see you in the next one.